Here we will create a window form to find the prime number given between the range and add it to a list box. For this we will add a new form here and I will name it aquarium find prime number. Since it is window form, we will add controls on it. These are the controls that we have added. I have added two text boxes, txtf number and txtl number, for getting the range. When we execute this button, it will add the prime numbers between this range to this list box, and this exit button is to close the form. So on click event of btn OK, I will write the code for finding the prime number and inserting it into the list box. First, I will declare a variable and I will write a for loop for int I equal to, since we are giving the range between txtf number and txtl number, so our loop starts from txtf number. Text box value is string, so we have to convert it to integer. So for loop will be int I equal to value of txtf number and I less than or equal to our txtl number, and I plus plus. Here we will set flag value equal to 1 and we will give another loop for checking the prime number. So next loop will be for int j equal to 2, j less than or equal to I divided by 2 and j plus plus. Here we will check if I mod j equal to 0, then this number will not be a prime number. So I will set flag equal to 0 and I will break the loop. And after completing this second for loop, I will check if flag value equal to 1, then I will insert this prime number to our list box. For this, the list box name, that is lst prime number dot item dot add value of I. To execute, we will set it as a startup form and we will execute it. I will give the range from 10 to 50 and when I click this button, it will add all the prime numbers in this list box. Since I have not written any code for exit button, it will not work. So on click event of exit button, I will write this dot close, and when we execute, if I give value between 10 to 100, it will add all prime numbers in this list box, and when I click on exit, it will close the form.